Hello, my name is Karina Jimenez, and this is the PE Internet Resource Newsletter that I created. So here it says Classroom Newsletter, and then here is my Shape America, and just a little summary of what I thought Shape America did. And then here is the myplate.org, and again a summary of what I thought myplate.org did. And then at the bottom is going to be the links to the websites. And then we had to come up with one book that could help us teach this, or some parents. And the book I came up with is The Very Hungry Caterpillar. I just thought this was a fun way of incorporating how we can talk about nutrition to some of our younger kids. And then it said to go ahead and search 2 articles that could also help us teach this to the students and parents. So an article I found was Nutrition Tips for Improving Your Health, and then the summary, and then again the link to the article. And then another article I found was about food art, and how it could be a fun way of teaching our young ones to eat healthy, but you can also make food into art. And then I also included pictures of what food art could be. And that's it, so thank you.